For many travelers, Rwanda is defined by Volcanoes National Park. The rare opportunity to see endangered mountain gorillas has made this remarkable destination one of Africa's most unforgettable wildlife experiences. But beyond the famous volcanoes lies a country of emerald rainforests, tranquil lakes, rolling green hills, and extraordinary landscapes that many visitors never experience. This is a journey beyond the familiar. Across ancient forests, volcanic highlands, winding lakeshores, and protected wilderness, Rwanda reveals one of Africa's most beautiful and remarkably diverse countries. Every region uncovers another landscape where nature and culture remain closely connected. Our journey begins in Nyungwe National Park, one of Africa's oldest montane rainforests. Spreading across mist-covered mountains in southwestern Rwanda, this ancient forest shelters an extraordinary variety of wildlife, waterfalls, and towering trees. Every sunrise reveals another breathtaking panorama. Morning mist drifts through the rainforest canopy while crystal-clear streams wind between giant ferns and towering hardwoods beneath dense tropical foliage. Colorful birds move through the trees as primates travel quietly across the upper canopy. The forest feels ancient and wonderfully untouched. Deep within the rainforest, elevated walkways reveal spectacular views stretching across endless green hills disappearing into the distance. Waterfalls tumble through secluded valleys where every step uncovers another remarkable corner of Rwanda's rich natural heritage. Nature flourishes in every direction. Leaving the rainforest behind, the journey follows winding mountain roads toward the sparkling waters of Lake Kivu. Framed by steep green hills and peaceful lakeside villages, one of Africa's largest freshwater lakes creates a landscape of remarkable tranquility. The atmosphere feels wonderfully serene. Gentle waves lap against quiet shorelines while colorful fishing boats drift across crystal-clear water beneath distant mountain ridges. Forested slopes descend gracefully toward the lake where welcoming communities continue living beside the water as they have for generations. Every viewpoint captures another unforgettable scene. Traveling north, the volcanic landscapes become even more dramatic as the twin lakes of Burera and Ruhondo appear beneath the towering Virunga Mountains. Calm waters reflect the surrounding volcanoes, creating one of Rwanda's most spectacular natural settings. The scenery feels almost perfect. Terraced hillsides surround the lakes while small islands emerge from the shimmering water beneath broad African skies. Morning light transforms the volcanic landscape into layers of emerald green stretching toward distant peaks. Every kilometer reveals another breathtaking perspective. Leaving the lakes behind, quiet roads climb into the fertile Musanze Highlands. Rich volcanic soils support rolling farmland where generations of communities have shaped one of Rwanda's most beautiful rural landscapes. Every hillside reflects the country's remarkable connection between people and nature. Small villages overlook neat agricultural terraces while winding roads weave between fields beneath towering volcanoes. The surrounding highlands remain peaceful, revealing another authentic side of Rwanda beyond its famous wildlife destinations. Every journey feels wonderfully welcoming. As afternoon light settles across the mountains, lakes, forests, and rolling hills, warm golden colors transform the landscape beneath brilliant equatorial skies. Rwanda's extraordinary natural beauty becomes impossible to overlook. Every horizon invites further exploration. From ancient rainforests and emerald lakes to volcanic mountains and fertile highlands, every destination reveals another side of Rwanda that many travelers never discover. Together, they show that the country's greatest treasures extend far beyond Volcanoes National Park. And the journey has only just begun. Beyond Rwanda's volcanic mountains and ancient rainforests, the country continues to reveal sweeping savannahs, peaceful wetlands, hidden waterfalls, and rolling green landscapes that remain among Africa's most remarkable hidden treasures. Every region uncovers another extraordinary surprise. The farther the journey continues, the more remarkable Rwanda becomes. Our next destination is Akagera National Park, where open savannas replace the mist-covered forests of western Rwanda. Rolling grasslands, shimmering lakes, wooded hills, and winding wetlands combine to create one of East Africa's most diverse protected landscapes. Every sunrise reveals another breathtaking panorama. Morning light spreads across broad floodplains while elephants, giraffes, buffalo, and antelope move gracefully through the open grasslands. Hippos rest beside quiet lakes as colorful birds glide above papyrus wetlands beneath enormous African skies. Nature flourishes in every direction. Leaving the eastern plains behind, the journey heads west once again toward Gishwati Mukura National Park. One of Rwanda's newest protected forests, this remarkable landscape safeguards ancient woodland, crystal-clear streams, and exceptional biodiversity. The forest feels wonderfully untouched. Dense tropical vegetation blankets rolling hills while hidden waterfalls tumble through secluded valleys beneath towering trees. Primates move quietly through the canopy as birdsong echoes across one of Rwanda's most successful conservation landscapes. Every kilometer uncovers another peaceful corner of the country. Traveling southeast, the landscape follows the Akagera River toward the spectacular Rusumo Falls. Here, powerful water surges across wide rocky ledges before continuing its journey through lush green valleys that have shaped the surrounding countryside for countless generations. The energy of the river is unforgettable. Mist rises gently above the cascading water while fertile forests frame the surrounding riverbanks beneath brilliant equatorial skies. Scenic viewpoints overlook the falls where nature and history remain closely connected within this remarkable border landscape. Every scene captures another unforgettable perspective. Leaving the waterfalls behind, the journey returns to the peaceful shores of Lake Kivu to follow one of Rwanda's most scenic routes. The Congo Nile Trail winds through rolling hills, lakeside villages, coffee plantations, and forested ridges, offering breathtaking views across the western countryside. Every bend reveals another remarkable landscape. Terraced hills descend gracefully toward the lake while colorful fishing boats drift across calm blue water below. Mountain roads weave through villages where coffee farms and traditional homes overlook one of Africa's most beautiful freshwater lakes. Every viewpoint feels wonderfully timeless. Across Rwanda, rainforests, volcanic mountains, lakes, wetlands, waterfalls, and rolling hills remain closely connected within one remarkably compact country. Traveling only a short distance often reveals an entirely different landscape, making every stage of the journey feel wonderfully unique. Every kilometer offers another discovery. Communities throughout Rwanda continue preserving traditions shaped by generations living among fertile hills and remarkable natural landscapes. Agriculture, craftsmanship, music, and warm hospitality remain deeply connected to the land, creating authentic experiences wherever the journey leads. Throughout the seasons, Rwanda remains beautifully green. Regular rainfall nourishes forests, lakes, and fertile valleys throughout the year, while shifting mountain mists and changing light continually transform the surrounding landscapes. Every season reveals another side of the country. Every destination reveals another unexpected side of Rwanda. Ancient rainforests lead toward sweeping savannas, volcanic mountains give way to peaceful lakes, and hidden waterfalls connect landscapes that remain among Africa's most spectacular natural treasures. Diversity defines every journey. Traveling beyond Volcanoes National Park transforms the way many people experience Rwanda. Instead of discovering only one world-famous gorilla destination, visitors uncover a nation of emerald forests, crystal-clear lakes, remarkable wildlife, rolling highlands, and hidden landscapes that remain refreshingly authentic. These are the places that leave lasting memories. This is the Rwanda that rewards curiosity. It is a country where ancient rainforests, volcanic mountains, tranquil lakes, fertile valleys, and timeless wilderness continue to flourish beyond the familiar tourist trail. Every journey uncovers another unforgettable destination. Perhaps Rwanda's greatest treasure is not found among the famous gorilla forests alone. It is the extraordinary collection of hidden rainforests, rolling green hills, peaceful lakes, spectacular waterfalls, and welcoming communities that together reveal one of Africa's true hidden gems. Beyond Volcanoes National Park lies a Rwanda that is vibrant, authentic, and truly unforgettable.